Okay, we're coming up to the second spin. Pretty sure this is going to do a Sudslock, and it might even do an emergency rinse, but we'll soon find out. Subscribe, I would much appreciate it because it's getting so exciting, this channel now. It's growing so massively. Bringing out, smashing out as much content as possible, so we'll definitely subscribe. I'm probably the most active YouTuber because I have loads of other different channels as well, so definitely subscribe. Yeah. I got banned from YouTube for posting so much videos. I had so much to bring you though, so definitely subscribe. The maximum videos you can post on YouTube in a day is 33 videos, I think. And that's when I got banned. I think it's when I started this channel a year ago. Oh, by the way, it's our 1 year birthday of YouTube on the 13th of September, but I've been going a year now, just doing this. What shall I do to celebrate, I wonder? 1 year of YouTube, bloody hell. Subscribe. Do you know what? I've only got 353 subscribers. Let's make it to 400 to 450 subscribers by the 13th of September. That would be amazing if you could do that. That'd be a good celebration. To reach, in fact no, reach a milestone of 500 in a year. That would be good. Here we go, Sudslock. There we go. This is the emergency wince. Yeah, emergency wince. Because it's draining a bit now. Usually when it stops spinning, it just goes straight into filling mode, but no. Yeah. Bloody hell, it's hot today. It just goes into a distribution now. it doesn't actually spin. Come on.